Hello, I'm going to present my point of view on electric cars. I chose this theme because it is a current topic on the environment, which is very important. More and more people are using electric cars, and automotive professionals often point out that it is an environmentally friendly product. But is this really? I will answer it with the following problem. Should we currently use the electric cars? The development will be divided into three parts: the advantage, disadvantage, and advantage, but on some condition with a conclusion at the end. For the advantage of the electric cars don't release pollutant into the atmosphere when they are driven. It has no methane, thin particles, and burn hydrocarbons and other carbon monoxide, often blamed for their impact on health. However, there are still some particulate emissions from tires and blacks emitted by all vehicles. Switching to electric vehicles therefore has immediate benefits for air quality in cities and air roads. Electric vehicles also don't emit carbon dioxide when in use. The carbon footprint of the electric car is better than that of a thermal car. Electric cars don't release pollutant into the atmosphere when they are driven. When it starts up and when it is in motion, the electric car is almost silent, advantage especially on large axes. The electric cost it varies by 100 kilometers, and a gasoline or diesel vehicle cost between 6 and 7 of fuel by 100 kilometers. The electric car requires little maintenance. The engine system is very simplified and compared to thermal vehicles. There are 100 times fewer rotating parts, there is no gearbox and no oil to change. For the disadvantage of electric cars, the production of battery for electric cars take major problem environmental and social. Lithium batteries are increasingly used in vehicles. Recharging remains constant because it is very low autonomy, generally 300 kilometers, and it is very expensive. But we can use electric under some conditions. Shows a smart car, power the car with photovoltaic solar panels or take a contract with a green electricity supplier. And don't compete with walking, cycling, carpooling, and car sharing. To conclude, I think that we should not use electric cars and drive in the same way as today. We would only move the impact. The electricity cars is not polluting in use, but in the production remain problematic for the environment, and mainly because of the battery. The type of car, however, part of the solution. We must reduce the consumption of fossil fuels, which are doomed to run out and which are the main cause of global warming. The electric car, therefore, at its place in a perspective of sustainable mobility, but only in a combination with other solutions such as cycling, public transport, carpooling.